Hey guys, welcome back. This video is a part of my instant help playlist, and in this video I am going to share a special type of text area. Let's say you are building a express application, and as an admin you require a text area where you can stylize a text in different format, because most of the times as admin we want to show our user some special type of you can say content, and that contains a list, or you can say a special type of formatting where you can format here in italic, bold, underline. You can see here there are many options, and in same way you can see here table. You can attach here table as well. You can see tools, and here insert. Inside insert you can insert here link as well. Then inside view something is there, edit. In edit you can see there are many options, and same like that you can directly insert here code as well. And we also want this type of text field for user input, because sometimes we just asking user for, let's say, enter all your details. And if everything is mentioned in something a followed manner, you can say with a list, or you can say with a inside format they can use italic or something like that, then this is more you can say user readable thing. So most of the time in our site, if you are building for a production, then we needed something like this type of text area. So guys, in this video I will integrate this type of text area in our express application, and just follow this tutorial, you will able to add in your application as well. Okay guys, let's start. Guys, here I already build a express server by using express generator npm command, and I expect you know all these things. If you are searching for something like this type of text field, and you want just integration of this field, then I am sure you are building your application, you just need that. So guys, I am leaving this all basic parts, just a starting part of building our server, and I am just jumping on text field part. Okay guys, for integrating this we have to install a node module that is known as TinyMce. Just write npm I TinyMce. Okay, let's wait. Now here you can see TinyMce is installed successfully, and now I will start my server by using command npm start. Now I am going to show you our server, and here is our server, localhost 3000, and here you can see just I have taken some dummy text, and you can see this is just index.js, and what I have shown you on web page, that is just a index.ejs file, and inside index.ejs you can see I have taken just one HTML template, and then inside that I have added this with bootstrap, okay, for basic level of styling. Now I am going to next step, and I am showing you docs for TinyMce, and I have just followed this. And after installation you have to use this middleware, okay, just use this middleware and include it inside your app.js file like other middleware. Okay, here I am using here. Okay, now before going to next step, first I am showing you our text field, and for this just here you can see inside instant help we have a one link detail page, and this is just a slash user slash detail route. Just go inside detail.ejs, and here you can see hello welcome, and I will wrap it inside a div with text center as a class, because I want everything inside center of the page. Okay, and this is just a bootstrap class, so I have to include bootstrap link here as well, and just copy, and Now I will include it here. Now it will work, and here you can see let's hello welcome. And now I will create one dummy form, and let's say form, and inside form I'm not going to include more than one field. I'm just going to integrate our text area. For this I'm going to show you general text area. Okay, just see div dot for group. Okay, and let's say text area, and you can see text area we will give one class at least, so that it will look good. And this class is form control. Okay, and give placeholder as well, and right here integrating part anything. Okay, and we can write more things here, but let's see how it looks now. And here you can see integrating part, and in this text field I will just give you can say some height and some margin to left and right. For this just write mx 3 or 4. Okay, and here you have to write row, and for this just write rows, and row is equals to, let's say 10. And now you can see it will be big enough, and we have some margin as well. And problem with this type of text fold is what, you're not able to add the text as in your manner, you can say, or you can say in a special type of format what you saw sometime before. You are not able to do that. That's why now I'm going to show you what to do so that this text field will become what we saw sometime before. Okay, let's see. And for this guys we will again go to documentation part, and now we have to create one file, one JavaScript file inside public folder, and just go there, and you can see I have already created my tinymce config.js. You can name this file anything, and inside my tinymce config.js we have to include some code so that tinymce will initiate, and just include it. And after initialization of tinymce, next part is we have to include this script tag inside our EJS file. Okay, just include it. And if you are building some big projects, then you have to include it inside header, and so that you can use everywhere, because in big projects you also know we are using header separately, footer separately, navbar separately sometime. So you just include it somewhere so that you can use it everywhere. Just use it somewhere globally so that you can use it everywhere inside your EJS. Okay, and now next is just text area part, and just copy it, and I will take one more, you can say this type of div, and inside this div I will include text area. Okay, and text area is just same, difference is here I am using id is my express.js tinymce app. This is same as my tinymce config.js file selector, and here you can see our after text area my express.js tinymce app. You can remove this text also, because there is no need of this text right now. But just see, let's start our server, and I am clearing this because this is too much, and with npm start I will start my server, and now just you can see, wait, and now here you can see what head we want, and this is just hello world, because we have given here text hello world. There is no need of this text. Just remove it from here, and now see, and here you can use everything whatever we discussed, and tools, tables. Here you can see one thing is missing, that is list part, and I will show you how to show list as well. Okay, and for showing list we have to include some more properties here. And one more thing here, now you are like why I am able to see tiny. Okay, for removing TinyMC from our web page, you just have to include here branding to false. Okay, now just see, I think it will work. And here you can see there is no TinyMC like text. And next is I told you about the list, and just I am showing you what I have to include there, so that I will able to see text here as well, I mean list here as well, sorry. And now for showing list here, you have to include one more property here, and that is just this one, toolbar. And toolbar is, you have to include like this toolbar, link code, num list, bool list, and image. Okay, and after including it, you will able to see list as well here, and here you can see list. Okay, and after adding list, you can see some property removed from here, and that's okay, but we have a well enough property, and it's enough for both admin side or user side. Whatever content you are using, it's enough. In case if you needed something that is removed after using this property, toolbar, link code, num list, bool list, image, you just have to remove it and use it the previous one. Okay, and here you can see, guys, here you can see I have removed the first one, text area, because we don't need here that one. And now I'm going to solve one more issue that might be arised in your case. Problem is what, you know, when you are using text area with TinyMC thing, then when you are submitting the data, and you are using, let's say, rendering file as a EJS. Okay, you are submitting data somewhere, and when you render some file, and you are rendering file, and you want to show content whatever you have submitted here. Okay, then problem is what, you know, data is showing in the format of HTML. Now just see what I want to say you, and for this just give one button to your web page for submitting data. Okay, and this button dot btn primary. Okay, and just write here submit data. Okay, I have written name equals to data. What happened whenever we are submitting something from here, that value is will goes to data key. Okay, and now just here you can see method post, and action is slash user slash detail. Okay, we will just submit this data with post method, and action is this route. And now I will create this route. Okay, slash detail and callback, and just write here constant data equals to request dot body. Okay, and do one thing, render here one file you can see, let's say data. Okay, and render here data to show. Okay, and pass data. Okay, it's fine, here it's data. Okay, and now we will make one more file that is data to show .ejs. okay, data to show .ejs, and just create this file, write something like data and div text center. Okay, and I have to include this one in data to show EJS file as well. Okay, and now what, now just give something like h4, and we are passing, you can see data, and just give this data here, and you know how to show something that is passed from server side to EJS file. For EJS file you have to use EJS templating, and like that, this one, and just write here data. We will restart our server. Okay, because we changed so many things, so npm start. Okay, and now let's refresh this page, and let's write something. Okay, Balajee Misra, and please support this channel for more videos. Okay, and then just include something. No, it's fine. Okay, submit the data, and when we will submit, this is what exactly the problem is. Problem is what, just see, when we submitted the data, I mean form, data is coming here as a request body, and when we render the page data to show, and we passed the data as a, you can say, text field data, and when we showing this one here, and you know, if you are using EJS, then you are well known with all these things, and problem is this TinyMC is showing HTML tag as well. That is really, I mean, frustrating, because no one wants this one on web page. Okay, and for solving this, you just have to do what, you know, you have to include here minus. Okay, now I have saved the page, and now refreshing it. Okay, continue, and now you can see Balajee Misra, please support this channel for more videos. Here whatever I have written there, now it's fine. I showed you this because this is really a big problem. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are done with TinyMC integration, and this part, I mean data showing part on web page. Okay guys, and guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got help, then please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys, bye bye, take care.